Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn how to see number of patrons in the Patreon app. So let's get back to it. Now what you need to do is just launch the Patreon app. After letting it launch, here you can see the basic user interface where you can follow someone or you can chat with someone. Now what you need to do is basically click on the left top corner button. Now what is that? That is the profile option. Now what you need to do here, you can see your basic details about your profile. Now just skip it and click on the Safari button, which is located at the bottom in the middle. Now just click on it, let it load and find a creator with which whose Patreon numbers you wanna see. So suppose I'm gonna do KAR, random creator. Okay, after seeing that I will choose which one, Carly Steele. Okay, now what you need to do is here, this is the profile of the creator Carly Steele creating shit I can't post on YouTube. That is good. So what you need to do is click on the community option. In the community option here you will see the messages or people who have shared their thoughts. Now click on the membership. Here you can see the patrons number, which is 825. Now you can check this with any other Patreon also. Let me just click on another, Kara Sackle. Now this is, just click on the membership. Here you can see 795 Patreons. So you can see the active Patreon members who are following this character. This is how you follow and see number of patrons and the Patreon app. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. I hope this was helpful.